I will talk about how can you hide ads on your Badoo app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you click here on profile, it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on account preferences, then come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on privacy here, then come to next step. Then all you have to do, just click here on show ads here, then click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone now. So then here, before that, you have to get this premium here. So you just choose if you want to add a month or lifetime or 6 months here or three on 1 week. So then you click on continue, then it's going to hit with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.